Let's go, let's go. 24 by 12 day. 24 by 12 day. I hope everyone's doing great. Today is 24 by 12 day, F150 Everest edition. Before we head to work, I want to show you guys my everyday carries and what I conceal carry in my vehicle. Got to have a carry permit here in Georgia. So first is the Smith & Wesson Shield M&P. I love the Shield. It is a single stack 9 and great overall size, fits nicely in the pocket also. Another really good concealed carry, the Springfield Armory XD S45. This is 3.3 inch barrel. Again, a single stack 45, has extended mag, and it also very similar size. Also got a packet in the mail from Ford. Great Bronco lettering and a nice little poster here showing the sketch and design of the Bronco. Another letter also saying that our Bronco is on the way. So pumped about that, and thanks so much Ford for the package. Let's go to work. In the Indo. We'll scoop the truck up from our shop. And we've got Campo working today on a Saturday, 450. Oh my gosh, look at that on the 26 inch Forges, yes. So I had to come down to the dealership and I found the truck, let's go. So you know I film solo most of the time. I've got my GoPro here for my rolling shots, got to with the 24s y'all, and what a beauty. Just something about an Everest edition on 24s. So I want to start off with the interior first because it's a 502A Lariat and I love this brown and black contrast leather with the contrasting gray stitching. B&O audio as well. Love the brushed aluminum, and this is the interior on the chrome appearance package. This is not that Lariat Sport that has the wine color with the black. This is another variation. You can get the tan and the black on the Lariat chrome package or all black. So which do you like? I love the contrast in this with it being white with some black wheel action out back as well. Look at that B&O audio in the headrest. Gotta love that. The 12-inch touchscreen, got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, different drive modes. Love this size steering wheel, leather wrap as well, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. Whew. Now the outside, even better. 24. What a 2021 Akins Ford F150 Lariat. Told you it was a 502A. Got a 6-inch Everest Edition package here with the BDS suspension lift kit and 24 by 12s. 24s, y'all. You know I love my 24s. And what a great combination in the fuel rage wheel and 24 by 12, negative 44 offset, gloss black and milled. A new concave wheel phenomenon's taking place where people are loving these concave wheels, basically go starting from the center all the way to the outer edge. So you essentially do not have any lip. If you had a standard wheel, traditionally 22 by 12, you'd have a 4 to 6 inch lip there. So I'm a lip guy, but the concave, this is just a super aggressive, look like you're chopping the block down with the blades going down the road with the wheels going all the way to the outer edge. This is a total different look. I like it. I think I still would lean more towards the lip, but this is just on the mild to wild scale. This definitely looks unique, and the milling just looks like blade after blade after blade. If it was all black, you wouldn't notice it as much, but hopefully in the rolling shots, y'all guys and gals notice that the blades being milled right there just really make for an aggressive overall look rolling down the road and sitting still. So this truck works because of the milling also in the wheel. So without the milling in the wheel, you wouldn't be able to tie in your chrome accents throughout. And this also has a factory wheel-to-wheel running board, which I really do like that new design too. Fox shocks out back. Now, as far as fitment on the mile to mile scale, we're definitely aggressive. Got ridge grappler tires, and you are sticking out 5-6 inches. It's quite a substantial amount. 315 45 24, so this is like a 35.2 by 12.5, so it's a 35 12.5 24 would really be like a 34.68, so not quite as tall as this tire. So with this tire being so tall and the stance so aggressive, crash bars did have to go bye-bye front and rear. You got quite a bit of aggressive trimming on your front valence there, as well as some of the felt and plastic portion right there. It's just what you got to do to make this work. If you want to run this system in size and setup, just know that's what it takes. You got your drop down cross member there. Great components from BDS. And there's your spacer and your strut assembly. And of course that iconic front end appearance of the Lariat Sport. LED headlights and your daytime running light too, just looks so signature. But in a great aggressive overall appearance. Wheel well liners out back. And we've got to put a bed cover on this beautiful truck here Monday as well. So hopefully you were able to watch this video and put a smile on your face and just see a good, substantial, mean Everest edition right here at Willies at Akins. I mean, looking at beautiful trucks is a definition of America, or just one of many definitions of a true America freedom, y'all. So love this truck. Big, bad, beautiful, bold stance in the super aggressive wheel and tire combo. The 6-inch kit enables it to happen too, because you needed that added height for your front tire articulation clearance there. So a very substantial, wild scale, my Richter scale, I still need to get it for you. Willies Custom. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. As always, I appreciate all your support. Hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification also just lets you know when Real Deal pops up with another one. Peace.